First, copy the pre-made design files to the USB. Then insert the USB into the corresponding USB port. Click the third file management button at the bottom of the screen. Click the first option on the right to import from the USB. Find the corresponding required file name and click on it. After finding the correct name, click on it and select the Open option on the right to open it.
这个是打开了。放上去直接按开始就好了，是吧？
我先拍一下那个参数，你放了。
Place the appropriate cut pieces on the tabletop. This will display the materials size to the artworks. Now is 5 materials here, and we need to set the correct plate number for each size of the beads. In addition, we have already set up the starting ponnet of the pattern in advance. So now, we just need to press the start button to start working. The speed and quantity can be set according to needs, and a pattern is thus completed.